To set partial take profit in Exness, launch the Exness app and sign in. So this is my account and I've already signed in, and I have a demo account here that is currently on profit. For you to be able to set partial take profit, you have to have an active trade, either sell or buy, that is in profit. So I have one here. All I have to do is to tap on this now, tap on the trade, and then tap on view chart. So for me to set take partial profit, all I have to do, waiting for this to load, is to tap on this SL now. So once the chart opens, it will appear like this. I'll have to tap on this plus SL. But if yours is not showing like this, if yours is like this, all you have to do is to tap on this little dot here. Once you tap on this dot, this option will appear. So once you tap on this plus SL, so this is it. So I'll have to drag it. This is where I entered the trade. This dot here is where I entered the trade. So for me to set partial take profit is to move the stop loss to keep it where I want. If the market goes back, it should secure that amount for me. That is what we mean by taking a partial profit. This is it. Once you keep it here, or once you keep it where you want it to be, okay, I would like to secure a 2,000 naira partial profit. So now this is it. So all I have to do is to tap on this confirm. When I tap on this confirm, see it has been modified. So once it has modified, you will not see it. So you have to tap on this dot here. So once you tap on this dot, this is the partial take profit here. So if you want to remove it, all you have to do is to go back and go to account. So now I'm on account. All I have to do is to tap on the trade or the active trade, and then I will clear these numbers here. So once you remove this number, tap on confirm, and the partial take profit will be removed from your active trade. I also made a video on how to break even in Exness. So watch this video. I've explained every simple step-by-step guide that you need to follow in order to add or break even in your Exness trading account. So watch this video and I will see you in this video.